Just like that, it gets pushed automatically into my store. You can see it's on sale. Choose my white chocolate peppermint or my salted caramel, like that. Description that got created in 20 seconds from AI, just with a little bit of prompting. Okay, to add a simple product or a variation, you're going to go to just below the WooCommerce plugin. You can see products. And I've got a bunch of products already added. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to add a new product. This is for an organic skincare company that I manage and market. Body butter plus lip balm combo, we'll call it. So obviously, whatever your product is that you're selling, you would give it a title there. Now, you could use AI for the product description. It's really pretty slick. I'll show you a quick example here. So I will say white chocolate peppermint, and the other scent is salted caramel. And then I can just quickly generate a description here. Let's say I want it to be friendly and short, and I will click this button. Obviously, if you know a detailed description, you can add that yourself. And then here we go, just this nice little description gets generated for you by AI. So I'll just leave that and I'll maybe modify it later. Now, down here, if you have just one product, you keep this as a simple product. You put your regular price or your sale price. And if you have a sale price, it'll automatically come up with a sticker saying that it's on sale. But for this, because I have 2 cents, I need to create a variable product. So I want to show you how to do this. Under variations, attributes first, you have to set which variable you want to customize. So since there are 2 cents, I'm going to call this a cent. And then I'm going to put my 2 cents here. White chocolate peppermint. And with this little symbol, you separate the other one, salted caramel. Okay, and now we're going to save that. And now we go to the variations, and I can generate all of my variations. So just let the computer do this for you. And I'm just going to have my 2 variations. Each of the cents. Now, under each of these, I could have different prices if I want. Now, these are going to be priced on sale. So I want to make it show that they're on sale. So the regular price here was $26.99, and the sale price is now going to be $17.99. Now we have to do that for each variation. So this is white chocolate, and now this is salted caramel. So I'm going to do the same thing, $26.99 on sale for $17.99. You could have custom images if you have them for each variation. I'm just going to use the standard image because it doesn't matter. I'm going to go to my product image, and I've got in my media pool right here. So I'm going to set that product image, and then down here you can control the slug. So let's say, yeah, we'll call it something like that. And then you could have a short description for the SEO. So we'll just say 4-ounce body butter plus matching lip balm. And if you have an SEO plugin, which I use Rank Math, and you should too, you can basically just match the product name to the focus keyword, and you'll always get pretty good ranking SEO, and it kind of shows you what it's going to look like in your store, so you can actually see what that would look like. And that's basically it. There's lots of other things you can customize and stuff like that, but I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the top and publish. The top, let's view my product. And here it is. Just like that, it gets pushed automatically into my store. You can see it's on sale. I have an option. It shows me it's on sale, and I have an option to choose my white chocolate peppermint or my salted caramel like that. I can add it to my cart, and everything else is linked together. And then scroll down, and here's my big fancy description that got created in 20 seconds from AI, just with a little bit of prompting. And then it obviously links to the rest of my store. Okay, so once you get WooCommerce set up, then it's sometimes a bit of a tedious process to get everything set up for the first time, but then adding your products or your variations is really pretty straightforward. Again, it's all done through the products section here. You can add products, you can go in and edit any of the other ones that you have. There's a whole bunch here in my store. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want more WooCommerce stuff, please leave a comment, and I can certainly show you a whole bunch of stuff with this.